Hello guys, if you would like to import extendable doors, retractable doors from China, we can help you source the products from factories directly in Foshan, China. Here are the most popular designs. I can just show you some of the models. Most of the products are exported to Japan, America, European countries, and a lot of more countries worldwide. All these are amazing doors and quality doors. I'll show you some excellent designs. We can also customize products for you. If you come to China, we can also take you to factories directly. Here are the most popular retractable doors, extendable doors.